Hi, I'm Maurice Ellis from Carter Cooper Realty. Welcome to number 6 Jonwest Close here in Torquay, a very popular suburb of Hervey Bay. Only a short distance to the water. Come on a tour with me. This home has air-conditioned open-plan living. The kitchen has all modern facilities. There are 3 bedrooms, including air-conditioned main bedroom and large ensuite. Outside is a generous covered entertaining area surrounded by lush private gardens. This home also includes solar power and handy bore pump. Further information, please contact Maurice at Carter Cooper Realty on 0427 24 62 61.